Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And as you can see, about half the forecast zone that I cover on a daily basis is pretty much cut in half. I would say, probably if you draw a line from, say, southern Monmouth County across Route 195 and then just go straight west from there into Pennsylvania, from there southward. We've been seeing a lot of clouds today and even some patchy light rain, but it's a very, very sharp cutoff. So once you go north of there, you might be on the edge of some streaming high clouds, but northern New Jersey, Long Island, the Hudson Valley, northeastern Pennsylvania, and all of southern and central New England and upstate New York enjoying a beautiful day of sunshine, and that lower humidity is making its way southward. And eventually, what will happen is there's one wave of low pressure here that is moving eastward. You can see the production of some showers and thunderstorms. Those flashes you see are actual lightning strikes. They are moving through southeastern Virginia. Once that wave of low pressure moves offshore and out, that cloud line is going to start moving further south. The clearing line is going to start moving further south. And in those areas that are sitting in overcast skies, we'll see weather conditions improve. And in fact, where it's been overcast, temperatures are kind of trapped in the low and middle 70s, while to the north of here, it's kind of an upside down type of day with temperatures running in the upper 70s to lower 80s. So we'll get rid of the clouds and the atmosphere will even itself out. Now, as of 3 p.m., you'll notice the southern part of New Jersey still seeing a little bit of light rain, also extreme southeastern Pennsylvania into Delaware. Again, most of this is on the light side, and those heavier storms and those lightning strikes I just showed you on the radar, well, those are in southeastern Virginia. See them there on the radar. Also loaded with showers and thunderstorms moving across southern Georgia, and also some storms up in southernmost Georgia and northern Florida, scattered storms in Florida itself. And across the south, there's some patchy rain from southern West Virginia down into southern Ohio and into Indiana. Most of that is moving off to the southeast. The Weather Prediction Center has rainfall forecast amounts of basically a tenth to a quarter of an inch from central New England and even parts of northern New England near the coast down into the northern part of the Delmarva Peninsula into Maryland and northern Virginia. This is for the next 7 days. So we have quite a dry stretch here that has settled in. In the meantime, we continue to see ample moisture and heavy rains for the coastal Carolinas, the immediate Gulf Coast, and down into coastal South Carolina, southern Georgia, and over into northern Florida. Rainfall throughout the rest of the country is taking that summertime look to it. We do want to point out from the Storm Prediction Center, as far as risk is concerned, it's another day of slight risk and even enhanced risk in Montana into western South Dakota. That is something that we've seen here all week. In the southern mid-Atlantic down into the southeast, a small area of slight risk in parts of Mississippi and into Alabama and the central Gulf states, but everybody else sitting in a marginal risk. For tomorrow, looking at that slight risk moving east through the Dakotas and into Minnesota. And then as we move on into Monday, that moves further east and south with just a marginal risk from the lower lakes south and west into the central and southern plains. Day 4 is where we see the Storm Prediction Center in its long range. This is Tuesday into Wednesday, and this is with the next cold front that we are seeing potential for severe weather being put up for parts of the Northeast from Pennsylvania into upstate New York and western New England, and that's something where you should pay a little bit of attention to. Usually SPC, when they put something in their long range, a lot of the guidance supports the idea of severe weather. So looking at today's GFS model run, of course, all that precip that's to the south continues to slide southeastward. We're setting up for a beautiful day on Sunday, a clear night, or in areas where they have clouds, skies will clear out tonight with temperatures in the 50s inland and low to mid 60s coastal and warmer urban locations, and highs tomorrow will be in the upper 70s to low 80s. That dry air should hang on into Monday before we get into a west-southwest flow on Tuesday. That's going to be a hot day. We're going to be up in the lower 90s. I think we probably could put it in a range of 90 to 95 from northeast Virginia to southern New England. There's an upper trough that will be approaching late in the afternoon and evening with some patches of showers and thunderstorms. And again, we point out that severe weather risk. There's a cold front that will make it here on Wednesday. There might not be much left with that cold front for it to work on anything. So, but I'll throw in the chance that there could be a shower or storm. Wednesday also we could see highs in the upper 80s and low 90s, and that'll be followed by a slightly cooler and less humid air mass for Thursday and Friday. And then we're going to go through the process all over again next weekend as we get into a southwest flow and things heat up a bit before another cold front moves on through sometime late next Sunday. That is the pattern that we are in. We've been in it for the better part of a month, and we still don't see any sign of it breaking down anytime soon. The Joe and Joe Weather Show, that is coming up tomorrow morning, Sunday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We hope to see you then.